How to fix Roblox Error Code 600. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you're getting error code 600 on Roblox, which means that you're banned from a game, this video will show you how to fix it easily. Go ahead and open the run command on your keyboard. Now type %local app data %, hit enter, and here you need to go ahead and find the Roblox folder. Right click on it and then tap on delete. Go ahead and then search for temp in the run command. Then delete any Roblox folders there as well. And after deleting those folders, uninstall the Roblox application from your device. Search add or remove programs. From here, scroll down and search for Roblox application. Once you find it, click on uninstall and click on OK to confirm. Once it has been uninstalled completely from your device, you need to go ahead and reinstall Roblox. Then use any VPN in your browser or your device and then launch Roblox, log into your account and start playing. You can also go for Cloud Player Wrap, download this application on your device, and then you can go ahead, open your settings and set your DNS to 1111 with Wrap and connect. And after it connects, you can open your browser, search for Roblox, and you should now be able to play any game without any error. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.